your partner have got anger issues in your relationship, that person, something you do small, that person can be angry because of his previous relationships or your previous relationships. So sometimes be careful when you are in a relationship with people who are dating other people, because they have got more heartbreaks. You know that when I have got more heartbreaks, even you came into my life, something small mistake you do to me, I can be angry or to leave you forever, because I think that every man is like that or every woman is like that. So sometimes you can get angry every time. So sometimes don't blame those people. Like, my partner became very angry. What? It's about our previous relationships. I know that maybe I've got more heartbreak after heartbreak. You understand? And now you want to give me another heartbreak again. So be careful when you are in a relationship with those people who are coming from different previous relationships sometimes, because guys, sometimes the reason is about heartbreak after heartbreak, heartbreak after heartbreak, and you came again, you want to give me another heartbreak. You understand? So sometimes, guys, you have to treat your partner very good when it comes to relationship, because you don't know your partner is coming from. And now maybe his previous girlfriend was cheating on him, and now you came in his life, you want to cheat on him. He can be angry very fast because he knows the pain. You understand? Some other people, guys, they have got, you know, that pain can't go forever. When you have got heartbreak, it stays here. So the time you get here anger, or you that person is angry, all those pain can come again. You understand? It can come again. That, so women are like that, or men, they are like that. In my previous, they came again, that anger. So sometimes when you saw your partner is if angry very fast, it's not about the small mistake you do to her. It's about all those things, those previous heartbreak happened in your previous relationship. It's not about you only. So be careful sometimes when you are hurting your partner. You know that your partner, maybe your marriage, she was being married and divorced, maybe she have got a child, and you are being came to her life and abusing her again, or to dump her again. So those things, guys, heartbreak after heartbreak, it stays here. It can't go. And the day you get angry, those things can come back again and say, so men are like that. In my previous, they came again, those things. So that's why you saw your partner is more angry. It's not about the issue you do, the small thing only. All those things happening in previous relationship.